Now screen is visible, guys. Let me know that.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So shall we start now? Okay, guys. Let's start now. Okay, na?
Visible, Ravi.
Let's start now. Okay, guys. Control Shift T, right? Control Shift T. What is that? MySQL dialect. MySQL dialect. First one only, right? First one only. We will what we will do now? We will copy this class name and we will paste it here. Okay. After then what is that? Dot come here. Okay, now come again in the class. Go to top right. Org. Copy the package name. Okay. So fine friend. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, so let's use this one. Okay, now come here. No need this one. Okay, now come in the application configuration. Okay, come in the application configuration. Okay, now so what is that? Property p equal to new property, right? After then what we will do now? P dot put. Okay, how many properties are there? Hibernate, four property, right? One, two, three, four. Okay, so four times let's copy the same things and we will paste. Return this one. Okay, return just p. Okay, so what is that here? What we will do now? Env dot get property, right? Inside that what we will do now? We will copy this property from here to here, copy it and come here. Okay, paste it. Okay, again what is that? Env dot get env dot what is that? Get property, right? Get property. Inside that what we will do now? Copy this one, Hibernate format, right? Copy this one, Hibernate format. Okay, guys. Okay, so now let's next one is what is that? What is that? Env dot get property, right? Get property. Okay, fine. Get property, what is that? So this one. Okay, copy this one. Okay, so now paste it. Okay, so now another one is what? Another one is what? Env dot get property, right? Env dot get property. Okay, na? So come here. Okay, HBM to DDL, copy this one. Okay, copy this one and paste it here. Okay, fine friend. Till now the things is completed. Okay, so now make this one as a key. What is the dialect? Hibernate, Hibernate. Hibernate, what is that? Dialect, right? Dialect. Okay, so what is that? Format, right? Format. Okay, what is that? Hibernate. Hibernate, what is that? Format, right? Format, format, format underscore SQL, right? SQL, SQL. Okay, another one is so, right? So here make this one is what? Hibernate dot what is that? So underscore SQL, right? SQL. Okay, here what is that? Here Hibernate dot and yeah, Hibernate dot what is that? HBM to DDL, right? DDL dot auto. Okay, fine friend. The property is prepared now. Okay, na? So but here need, right? Property. So what is that? We will copy this method and we will paste inside that. Okay, we will paste inside that. Okay, fine friend. The thing is completed. The till now the things, all environment is completed till now. Where, right? These things. Okay, we completed these things. How many things? These things we completed now, right? So now we have need to implement these things also, right? This one and this one. Okay, na? Two concept is still left. Then we will start our own work. Okay, na? Then we will start our own work. Okay, guys. So let's implement these things. Okay, na? Let's implement these things and we will see that HBM to DDL dot auto. Any mistake is there, Suraj? Hibernate HBM2DDL dot auto find, right? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, na? So let's move on. Okay. So till now the things is completed, right, guys? Till now the things is completed. Okay. So what is that? One more things is there. Which things is there? Hibernate transaction manager, right? Hibernate. What is that? Hibernate transaction manager is left now. Okay. So what is that? Public. Public. What is that? Hibernate transaction manager. Okay. Hibernate transaction manager. Yeah. HTM, I'm taking the method name. Okay, so now return null. Just I'm returning null. So if we want to make this one as what is that bean, so what annotation? Bean annotation, right? We will apply on the top of bean annotation. Okay, so fine, friend. Okay, come here. Okay, so after then what is that? Hibernate transaction manager. Okay, h equal to new Hibernate transaction manager. Okay. Okay, so inside that what we will do now, h dot set session factory, right? Set session factory. What is that? Come here already. Oh, inside that I know I did not wrote that method, sorry for that. Okay, na? Same method we will use in the Hibernate template also, guys. Okay, na? So inside that what we will do now, this we will pass this method inside this argument. After then get object, right? Get object. Okay, na? Get object. Okay, so now the things is completed, guys. This one also the things is completed. Okay, na? So here what we will return? H. Just we will return this one. Okay, for the transaction purpose. Okay, so but we are going to use what is that? Hibernate template. So we have need to create this one also already given by whom? Spring people. So we have need to configure, right? We have need to configure. Okay, so let's configure it. Okay, so now what is that? Public Hibernate template, right? Hibernate template. So HT, just I'm taking the name of what is that? HT. What is that? Hibernate template. H equal to no need, just we will take the anonymous, right? Anonymous. Return what is that? New Hibernate template, right? Hibernate template. Okay, so inside that what we will do now, again we will pass this session, copy this one, we will pass here. After then get object, right? Get object. Okay. Okay, fine. So we have make this one, we need to make as a bean annotation. We will apply the bean annotation. Okay, guys, till now the things we completed, right? Till now the things is completed, guys. Okay, na? From here to here the things is completed. Let's create our own packages and classes. Okay, na? And we will start the work on that. Okay, na? Till now all configuration we completed. This much configuration we completed, guys, till now. Okay, na? Based on our explanation. Okay, guys, so let's move on and we will deep dive in our discussion and we will start the practical. Okay, now we will start the practical. Okay, guys, so let's create these things also, right? Let's create these things also. Okay, now so okay, fine, guys. So now from here these things yeah, the configuration, all configuration we completed now in the project. Let's create what is that? DAO. What is that? DAO interfaces and its implementation class. So I will take what is that? Com dot rk dot what is that? DAO interface, right? So here what is that? I employee DAO, right? I employee DAO. Okay, guys. Okay, so still method, all those things I will give the diagrammatical things, guys. I prepared a very different. Okay, na? Just concentrate on the project model. Just we will write the code, we will implement the code. Okay, na? That's it. Just we are doing the setup. We are doing the setup, guys. Okay, na? Till now setup is not completed. If we start work also, every time we will get the error. That is also not a good approach. Okay, na? So now, okay, so another one is what is that? Come, this one I created, right? This one need, right? This one need. Okay, come here. Okay, so now right click, right click, new, what is that? com.rk.dao.impl, right? Package name. And what is that? Employee DAO right? DAOIMPL. Now finish it. Okay guys, okay, so now fine. So what we will do now, implements what is that? IDAO, right? DAO. What is this? I employee DAO, right? Okay, fine friend. So we know that already we learn what is that. If we want to make this class as a, what is that, DAO model, we don't want to configure in our application configuration. Which annotation we will apply? At the rate, use the chat box, guys. I want the answer from you people. Let's see that you people are remember or not. Don't worry, I will tell, but at least I want your inputs also, friend. Be active and give the input. I want to see that how many people know, remember the which stereotype annotation we will use in the database layer. Just two people. Others, what about others, guys? Active, yaar. Active. Yes, active. Okay, okay. So we will apply what is that? Repository, right? Repository annotation. Okay, fine, guys. Okay, so now come here, right? Come here. Between these classes, right? Between Hibernate template we have made to easy relations. So for that, what we taken the ht.hibernate, right? So let's create it. Inside that, what is that? Private, what is that? Hibernate ht. Okay guys, okay na. So our DAO layer is completed now. Okay, come to service class. Okay na, let's create the service classes. Okay, let's create. Okay na, right click, new interface. We will take first, what is that? Interface. What is that? com.rk.service, right? Service. Okay, so what is that? employee service, right? I employee service. Okay, so now the service interface is completed. Okay, so now we have need to create its implementation class, right? Its implementation class. Okay, so what we will do now, com.rk dot, what is that? Service dot, what is that? IMPL, right? We will take the package name. Okay, so fine. Now another one is, what is that? Employee service IMPL. We will take the package name, right? Class name. Okay, so find that. Fine, guys. Okay, na. So after then, what is that? We will implement the I service, I employee service, right? I employee service interface inside that. So now one more time. Okay, na. So I already explained what is that. If we want to denote, this is the service in class, so which annotation we will apply now, guys? Let me know that, friend. Let me know that. Use the chat box. Everyone, I want everyone input, guys. Everyone input, please give the yours input. Okay na, from here onward, active it, little bit activeness need, guys. Okay. Okay, so fine. What is that? At the rate service, right? At the rate service annotation we will apply. Okay, now come to our UML diagram, guys. Okay, na? Come to our UML diagram. Okay, so what is the UML diagram? Let's see that. Okay, na? Inside that, what is that? We are using the DAO layer in the service IMPL, right? Service IMPL, we are using I employee DAO service. And I already explained why we are using to make our application as a loose couple POJI programming model in the first session only. When I was started spring model, this concept I already, this UML diagram and everything I explained, guys. Okay na, I already explained. Okay na, yes. So okay, so what is that? DAO okay na. So we will take this as a easy relation in this one. Okay na. So what is that? Private, what is that? I employee service DAO. No, sorry, DAO, right? DAO. Okay, guys. Now the things is completed. Now service class also. And after then, one another model is which one? Controller. And already we are working on the controller last day onward, right? Last day onward already we are writing that. Okay na. So but still to use this service classes, right? So we have need to make easy relation in the service class also, right? So come inside that, already validation we taken, right? So for that we will increase one more private. What is that? Private, this is the controller already we wrote, guys. Okay na? So what is that? What is that? Private I employee service, right? I employee service, service, service. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, so okay friend, so till now see that, okay now these things we completed, guys. Till now, based on that, what is that? Our UML diagram, we completed our, what is that, our, we completed our what, we completed our what, we completed our what, based on the UML diagram. And this validation we already seen in the last session. Okay na, this is the validation class, employee service, where this one, right? So this one, okay na, this one, see, already we wrote validation, server side validation, and we are using in the controller only. So here I'm using iterate this attribute, right? And this one I make as a iterate auto wire. Okay, so already I made has a relation between this and validation. So this operation we completed initial day only, right guys? Just I'm using this one, and even I given what, full to full. What is that? Full to full, um full to full, what is that? A DFD, data flow diagram. Okay na, from here onward let's write the logic, and we will implement each and everything, and okay na, based on the diagram only we will perform all those operations. But what is that? Our model data, right? Model data, let's do some increment in the model data. Okay guys, let's do some increment in the model data. Come here, because if we want to perform, what is that, hibernate operation, primary keys need, guys. Okay na, private, private, what is that? Integer, I'm taking the integer. What is that? emp id, right? Emp id. Okay, so okay guys, just alt shift s plus r, select all. Okay, setter getter, just I'm generating. Okay, that's it. Okay na, this is the model data. Okay, I increased. Okay, so now, okay, so if we want to make this one as a, what is that, entity class, which annotation we will apply? Hibernate, people, hibernate annotation, JP annotation I taught already. Okay na, at the rate, what is that, at the rate enti entity, right? Okay, so after then another one is what, how many annotation is mandatory in the entity class, guys? Use the chat box and let me know that. Use the chat box and let me know that. Two. Yes, yes. Another one is, what is that? At the rate id, right? At the rate id. Okay, so fine friends. Okay, fine guys. Okay, so these two annotation is mandatory, guys. Okay na, these two annotation is what, mandatory. Okay na, so fine. Okay, so if we want your name in the database, so which annotation we will apply? At the rate, what is that, table, at the rate table. Okay na, inside that what we will do now, we will take name, right? Name equal to emp underscore, just I'm taking, what is that, tab. Okay, after then another one, come here, I don't want this name, so which annotation we will apply? Column, right? Column. Very nice friend. Okay na, very nice, really appreciated everyone. Okay na, because you people remember, and even if I said that, means you people did hard work in the night, I think. Okay na, so okay, now column. Okay na, column, what is that? What is that? Name equal to, what is that, emp, just I'm taking, what is that, id. Okay na, this one will become id. Okay, so now another one, I don't want this one. Okay na, I want my name, at the rate column, at the rate column, right? Name equal to, what is that? Name equal to emp underscore name, right? Emp underscore name. Okay, fine. Okay, so next one is what, guys? Next one is what? At the rate column, right? At the rate column. Okay na, so what is that? What is that? Name equal to what? emp underscore pwd. Okay, so okay, fine. After then, what is that? At the rate column, at the rate column. Okay na, so here what is that? Name equal to emp gen. emp underscore gen, gender, right? Okay, so another one is what? Another one also at the rate column, at the rate column, okay na, at the rate column, fine, at the rate column, okay, at the rate column, guys, okay, name, name equal to what is that? Emp address, right? Addr underscore address, addr, okay. Another one is what? Another one is what? Country, right? Country at the rate column, at the rate column, after then what is that? Name equal to, name equal to what is that? Emp count, just con ry, right? Country, okay. Here spelling is mistake, okay, leave it. Okay, but here guys, okay na, we are selecting the list of the employee, right? List of what is that? Employee language. So here what is that? Here what we have need, what we, oh, here the class name is wrong, right? Wrong, right? Okay, no problem. What we will do now, good job, really, really, okay na. So we will do that one things, okay na. What we will do now? Model, right? Package name and class name. Okay, so just correct it here, okay na. Where we will do the correction here, okay. Modle, right? Fine, I think fine na. Yes, very good. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Okay, so but here what we are doing that, what we are doing that, whenever we will store the list of employee, right? For that little bit guys, different thing is there, right? Little bit, what is that? So this is the collection type, right? So for that we will use what is that? At the rate collection, element collection, right? In notation element, what is that? Element collection, right? Element collection, okay na. So after then what is that? Element collection, whenever we will take, means this is the list of then we can able to perform on this operation in the Hibernate, we can store it, right? But the language will store in the different table, right? This data will store in the different, and this one will become different table. In the one table we will create, in their table we will store the languages. For that what is that? At the rate collection, at the rate collection table is there, annotation is there, right? Collection table annotation is there, okay na. Inside that, inside that we will use what is that? Collection table name, what is that? Name, name annotation, name attribute we will use. Inside that we will give what is that? Emp language, lang tab, right? Tab, we will give the tab, okay na. We will give the name of that tab, what is that? That table, okay. So now comma, at the rate, after then join, right? Join columns, right? At the rate, what is that? Join column, right? Join column, we will give the name, name equal to what is that? Name, inside that what is that? ID, just we will give, right? ID, name we will give the ID only. After then EID, let's give the employee ID, means EID, okay. Okay, fine. So after then what is that? We will give the index, because list is the index based, it will store the data as the index based, right? So for that what is that? Order index annotation is there, right? Order column, order column, yeah, order column, right? Inside that order column we will denote this one as what is that? Name, that order column. At the time of fetching it will use, right? Lang, right? Just language I'm giving, language order column, okay. After then what is that? Column name, column name normal, what is that? Columns, we will give that column name, name equal to what is that? What is that? Lang, that's it, okay na. So this much operation we have need to, this annotation I use extra, okay na. I will explain again, okay na, after running our application, okay. After running our application, and after showing that I will tell why I used, and Spring Data JPA I will explain much about these things. Okay na, much about these things. Okay guys, so now fine. Okay, so now all things is completed guys. Let's run our application. Still we are not saving the data, but based on the run, right, the table will create in the database and we can observe it, and let's see that our application is working perfectly or not, or we are getting anywhere error. Okay, now let's run the application. Yes, guys, something is wrong, right? I think something wrong. See that we are getting the error. What is the error? See that. Okay na, standard listener. Okay, what is that? Mapping exception. Okay, okay, I got the point. I got the Yeah, it's saying that here only problem is there. In the model class, both are the same only, right? Hmm. Okay, let's run one more time. Same application. Still we are getting the error, right? No, here change another position of the object. Just another thing. Let's take another thing. I think both are the match. Because of that, I think we are getting the error, right? Yeah, should not be the same, I think. Okay, let's run one more time. These things both we are taking the same name, right? Because of that we are getting the error. Now let's run this one. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, guys. Now we succeeded, right? Actually, the both name I taken the same, right? Both name I taken the same. Because of that, we are getting the error, guys. Okay, na? Because of that, we are getting the error. Come to database. Come in the database. Refresh it. See, two table is created, right? EMP lang and EMP table. Inside that EMP, all data is there. See, ID, EMP gender, employee address, employee country, employee name, and employee password is there, but language is not there. So for that language, it's created another one, right? With the based same ID will store inside this table. Whatever we will store the data, that data that ID will become this one also, right? The same also, and this one the index collection, right? Based on the index collection, here it will store. Based on that, we will fetch, and in that row, the language, whatever language we will take, right, from the what is that from the water front end, those things will store, right? Those things will store. Now, guys, all setup is completed. Now from here onward, right, from here onward, let's implement our operation, right? We will work on the operation based on the diagrammatically format, right? So now, till now, just we completed what is that environment. We completed the setup, project setup environment, right? Project environment we completed. Now from here onward, in the real time also, guys, these things you will get complete, our seniors will complete. Okay, na? So from here onward, whatever our day-to-day work is there in the company and in the project, those things we are going to implement now, guys. Okay, na? Those things we are going to now, from the here onward, our usage is there. Our usage is there. Till now, whatever things I completed, these things only one time need, and these things is doing our seniors, guys, in the project, right? These things is doing our seniors. We are not doing, right? We are not doing. Okay. So but here everything we only doing, right? So because of that, we have need to set the project environment or not, then we can able to work it, right? Then we can able to work it. Okay. So from here onward, guys, let's implement based on our requirement. We will understand this is our requirement, how we will implement it, and how we can expose this data. So now, till now, guys, 2 hour near about is going to complete. Now you people want break, or shall I continue? Shall I continue, or you people want break, guys? Okay, na? Let me know that. Use the chat box, and whatever your perception is there, based on that I will. Just two people. I don't know why others is not giving. Suddenly give the reply, yeah.
Continue.
Okay. Only three people. Three people is using chat box. 10 minutes.
Okay, Ravi. Yes.
Okay, shall we break now? Because from here onward, actuality, whatever we are doing in the day to day in the project, we are going to implement those things. Okay, na? After then we will complete this one. Okay, break need. Okay, just three people. Okay, use everyone chat box. Okay, na? Use everyone chat box. Others, what about others? Okay, guys, let's do, right. 350 is happening here now, right? We will connect again. What is that? We will connect 410, right? 410 again. We will connect 410, and we will complete these things. Okay, na? Still from here onward, actuality is started. Just we completed what is that project setup environment, guys. Okay, from here onward, our actuality will start. Okay, let's connect. Okay, na? Let's connect 410. Okay, na? In the group, I will put the message. Please observe our group. Okay, na? Let's connect like that. Message I will put inside that. Okay, na? So because the little
Okay, Ravi.
from here onward, little bit fresh mind is needed, guys. Okay, na? So take the break. Okay, na? I'm giving the break. We will connect what? 410 after 20 minutes, 19 minutes we will connect. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay.
Thank you, Ravi.
Yeah, okay.